and ngisakhula-ke ngangimuhle yabo nje umhlaba usungishayile nje angazi ngathi ngu-anti wakephi ngangimuhle ngangimpofu angazi naleli langa ukuthi lingishisa lingenzani. Ngangena-ke ngayikhetha inkosi mengiyikhetha inkosi ngivocal ngiphaphile nga-elethwa kwi-SCO kwathi uzosihola uzobe uhlalo wakhona sengiphethe esikoleni ngiphethe wadini ngiphethe ngala e-school governing bani SCO kwaqala-ke iy'nkinga zami-ke lapho kwathiwa nje akekho umzalwane ozobe isitabane. Hhayi ngiyakhonza-ke la kufike nje inciko kaNkulunkulu angazi izongididisa yenzani inciko ngingane mind you ngingane I'm 14 I was 13 and a half ngoma ngizothi 14 at that time ngenza grade 9 inciko ifike ithi iyangithanda my God. Igama ngusazwa kaTshali intombi yomZulu enezindoda edlulele endoda sengishilo. Ngeke ngibongele kanjalo uma ngingena emsakazweni iNanda FM whenever siduka ishow ekuthiwa I'm Embracing Diversity and Uniqueness because every time esikhona laphana sofundisa abantu. I'm not promoting the show but ngizama ukukhombisa ukuthi ibaleke ngempela lento eniyenzayo la ekhaya ukuthi sifundise abantu kabayelana nobulili nokuhluka kwabantu. So igama ke njengoba sengishilo ukuthi ngusazwa kaTshali owazalelwa khona eMlazi bake bethi ngesilungu I was born buttered raised and groomed eMlazi. I still dwell in eMlazi, it's just that nje because of umsebenzi umuntu unokunyakaza kancane. I'm a born free yebo nginengalo zokwaba kodwa when I was born kukhona iconstitution entsha eSouth Africa. Mhlawumbe ngizoyiqala lapho nje ukuthi when I was born odokotela because ngangenayo ivoice mina so ngangakwazi ukuyikhulumela ngangakwazi ukwenza ezinye izinto bangikhulumela kodokotela base basho ukuthi hayi umntwana omtholile umntwana wesilisa hayi ukuthi ngazalwa ngowesilisa but odokotela bake basho njalo kumzali wami engithwele. So I am a last born kwiside lika mama. I am a first born kwiside lika baba. But because of my dynamics ke I was raised kakhulukazi komalume, that's why ngihamba ngesibongo sasekhaya komalume which is uTshali. Enye indaba nje leyo ukuthi sibuye sikhulumisane ngeindaba zayibonga ukuthi ihambe zize ifikephi especially if usubona ukuthi uthatha inyathuko ukuthi kumele uzufike lapha nogane khona. Ngikhule ngumntwana nje oyehlukile because mengisibudubudu njana nje esihlana nje and everybody just didn't understand ukuthi kahle is this a boy child or a girl child, which I find it very problematic ukuthi why njalo mesibona umntwana sifuna ukwazi ukuthi umntwana womfana lo noma umfana wentombazane le because lokho kuke kulimaze kakhulu because mesibuka abantu bebekhuliswa mesikhulisa ingane yomfana ingane yomfana sishike sishathele imithetho eminingi but intombazane kuthiwa hey hlala njengentombi and then umuntu bese kumele eshintshe indlela yokwenza hence umfana akwenziwa lutho hence if kuthiwa zonke umuntu ukhuliswa ngendlela efanayo elungasekayo ngaba yikho yonke lento gender based violence but mhlawumbe sisazongena kukona lokho. I'm just introducing myself ngaze ngidivers. Ngithe ngikhula ke this is a story by my mom because I was still an infant and I was still young ngingazi. She used to buy me toys angazi oba imoto ngithanda kanje nkosi Jesu. Wayengithengela yabo nje lama Raptor lawa amancane ethi ngangithatha iRaptor nebhola mengithengelile I wouldn't say vroom I will just take it ngiliphonse lapha ngilijahe and then instead of kicking it ngizoyithatha nje ngidlale kanjalo. So that's her story of how I was before ngize nami kuse kumina but kuthe kusa kumina I knew I was different because I started being bullied. I remember grade 2, second year. There was this boy, Cameron Nkosi Jesu, namanje ngiyakuzonda mfana wakithi. Wangithatha ekseni, yabo lento leyo ukuthi esikoleni nifike nithenge lapha komama because you're not allowed ukuthi nithenge ngaphakathi esikoleni. So Cameron sathenga lapha yana, wangithatha wathi mina ngoba ngunkosikazi wakhe, wangithatha wangisa ekhaya kubo. Ngifunda second year, ngaqala isikole ngimncane, so it was 2002. Ngifunda second year and I was still young. Cameron wayesefeyilile, ngamfica eklasini. Wangithatha wahamba ungiphekisa amaqanda ekhaya kubo, and I didn't understand at that particular point of time because babe ngifuqa ukuthi because you had you were assigned male at birth uzobe sekuthiwa umfana. So I understood that I am a boy, so why lo izongibiza unkosikazi wakhe ngithatha yile ngakayibonayo kumina. Wangithatha ngahamba angikaze ngashwa kanje ekhaya because kwaphuma isikole lutho mina ukuphuma nesikole. Kwashaya u4 umana ke because ngingane ehloniphayo ehlala nasendlini engajwayele ukuzula kakhulu. Wahamba engifuna indawo yonke, wangibheka emaphoyiseni, kasho ingane ukuthi hayi thatha Cameron wahamba nawe amisa le. Bebefika nje sengishayela ukuthiwa wena ulove esikoleni, ngithathwe ngenkani mind lo muntu ngiyamsaba and all. So that's how I literally grew up. I grew up in a space where there wasn't no gender amongst our friends, because I do remember when bedlala ihouse uMasiphosi, angaze ngadlala ngabo ubaba or ngabe ingane. I was always that mother, mhlawumbe ingakho nje sengaba nezandla zokwaba ngisemncane kangaka. So my friends and I never seen gender, and that was a nice thing growing up as a child. I started seeing bullying, or started seeing people questioning my gender identity or sexual orientation when I was now embarking ukuthi ngene high school. Because when I was in high school, akusekho ukudlala ngodoli. Primary ngangidlala ngodoli mina eklasini, esishawe noxoliswa kuthiwe niba ngumsindo, sidlala oana, sithenga ama exercise amasha, sidwebe uana, simdwebele ingubo, sasingayithungithi ingubo, sasidwebe exerciseini, uhambe uyinamathisela umshintshe mekumele ehambe esikoleni une page la khona. That's how I like literally. And then when I got to high school, it's where I started being bullied. Kuthiwe no, because now I had to confirm kwangcono primary inform yacishe ifane kona wonke umuntu. High school it's different. Mind you, nge high school yabantu, it's now not only just us, sonke abantu, sekho abantu abamnyama nje only. And people started like questioning ukuthi hayibo lo abangani abangaka amantombazane kwenzakalani. And I was like, akusoze kwenzeka kanjalo. Baqala ke bangibhulisha. I was very confident child because I remember ngaqala ukuba ku leadership position I was 13. That's where I was doing grade 7 wami ewadini kuba ne-structures ezaziyo. Ngangi kwiqembu elibusayo at that time, nga electwa kwi-BAC yakhona as a 13-year-old nje. Ngangisengihola i-ward 86 laphana, bengithembile abantu bangasekhaya. Angazi samele ngibuyele epolitikini because angazi ngayekelani, ngoba mhlawumbe nje manje mhlawumbe ngabe ngisebenza kwi-legislature, I don't know, but I love what I'm doing. Kuthe kusenjalo high school, from uperson obabli okhulumayo owenza yonke into, asebebonile ukuthi nangu umholi wakusasa. At the time uSisi Malema was still part of the ANC Youth League. I remember because the way ngangivocal ngakhona, engangikhuluma ngakhona, abantu babengibiza ngoJulius. So nangu mini Julius siyambona la, because hayi ngangilwa at the time ubaba khansela wethu kwakusawu Saddam. Kuthiwe ngeke nathi ingane ileto le ishaya ngomhabulo ngaka. And ngafika high school kwaphela konke lokho, because now people were like, umfana lo nomintombazane uyifakeleni uniform yabafana wena, sekhona izingane zakofolweni, sekhona izingane zakephi. So now I'm seeing a lot of different people, and my support structure at the time yayisithe ukuhlukana kancane, because e-high school sahamba with my primary school friends. I used to have a lot of friends. So high school ngafika nje sesivele primary sisonke sasu-8. So abasekho baningi labantu ababengisupporta ukuthi bekuthiwa nje khona okhuluma udoti khona abantu abazongivikela. So kwaba ngasabi khona konke ke lokho kwaqala ngabhulisha ngathola insindiso. Thixo wase George Cope. Mengithola insindiso, it was 2008 as grade 8. So ngihamba kanjalo ke ngesikole. Ngithe 2002 ngafunda grade 2, 2008 ngafunda grade 8. Bafika umfundisi uKhawula sasimbiza umfundisi uMachilisi because wayeneculo lithi ake ukutshala amachilisi uvuna amadribhisi, ake ukutshala ungalaleli uvuma impumelelo. So I used to love music. I cannot even sing to save my life. Ngangena ke ngayikhetha inkosi. Mengiyikhetha inkosi ngivocal, ngiphaphile. Nga-elethwa kwi-SCO kwathi uzosihola uzobuhlalo wakhona. Sengiphethe esikoleni, ngiphethe wadini, ngiphethe ngala e-school governing bani SCO. Kwaqala ke inkinga zami ke lapha. Kwathiwa nje akekho umzalwane ozobe isitabane. They used that term because at that time I didn't understand how damaging was that time and all. I remember very well, I tried conforming to the norm. 2009, I had a girlfriend who Pinky, efunda ka 9A, which I was covering askaze saqablana askaze zalani, but because I wanted to show people ukuthi uJesu uyayishintsha impilo yomuntu, akwenza uhlale lapha namakhosi. Ngikwenza lokho ngebhadi because ngilomuntu okhulumayo, o very bubbly, and ngisakhula ke ngangimuhle. Yabo nje umhlaba usungishayile nje, angazi ngathi ngu-anti wakephi, ngangimuhle, ngangimpofa, ngazi naleli langa ukuthi lingishisa lingenzani. Ngahamba ngikhule ekhaya ke, my mom is a traditional healer. So umanje mekade evakashe ebandleni lakhe mengekho full time. Ekhaya umuntu ade khonza umina because ngikhule ngikhonza nabaka makhelwane emaromeni. Ngihamba ngabhabhatiswa, ngaqiniswa, ngamkela, ngaze ngabe isikhonzi emaromeni. Umfundisi wami uJames, rest in peace. So sengise high school sengisindisiwe, I had to drop emaromeni because manje sengiyakholelwa kulento leyo ukuthi kahle kahle i-uniform, it's not coming from uNkulunkulu. I-uniform, it's not from yonke lento le. So I need to go ebandleni elizokwazi ukuthi mengikhuluma noNkulunkulu ngikwazi ukukhuluma, because emaromeni sandaza sonke kanye kanye, akukho ukuthi ngibe no one on one communication. Sekwashintsha izinto manje, abafundisi bamanje they allow prayer, they allow ezinye izinto. Yes, kusamnandi ukuthi uphinde futhi lilandele imithetho, but mina ngangisengikholelwa at the particular point of time ukuthi mengikhuluma noNkulunkulu kumele ngikhulume naye directly. So ngayeka ke emaromeni, ngahamba ngayokhonza ebandleni elikhulu, elalikhulu nje ngensindiso. Namanje I still believe ukuthi lisalikhulu ngensindiso kwi-Assemblies of God. Yo Thixo, bajabula ke bethola umntwana owazi amavesi from A to Z, oshushuva ikole zonke. Mina wasewaziwa nje ukuthi umsomluko ulesithathu, ulesine, ngolesine basesikoleni sami, ulesihlanu. Ekuseni nje period yokuqala angikho kuyona, vese ngangihlakaniphile, so thisha babengenandaba ngalokho ngoba ngangiphasa. Ngangihambela ikole ngiyothandazisa kuma-assembly. Wakwaziwa nje ukuthi mekwama mina nje so kuthiwa nje makaduyisa uJesu Kristu. Hayi, ngiyakhonza ke la kufike nje inciko kaNkulunkulu. Angazi izongididisa yenzani inciko, ngingane, mind you, ngingane. I'm 14, I was 13 and a half ngoma ngizothi 14 at the time. Ngenza grade 9. Inciko ifike ithi iyangithanda. My God, Jesus Christ. Nami ngithi ngiyayithanda inciko. Hence mina I'm very feasible ukuthi ngathi intombazanyana nje le Assemblies of God ke mutholakale wenze adultery noma usecaleni especially mwaduma wepulpit awusami phambi kwabantu uyaya esontweni uyaya ebandleni but uyohamba yabo i-altar izoba phambili uyohlala lapha emuva ususwe emuva menizothandazelwa there is a specific point yabo nje intercession ngisho namanje ebandleni ngokuthi isikhathi ngibalekele because ngisane trauma yayo because every Sunday mina ngangikhulekela ukuthi liphume idemoni ngibini ukade ushumayela uma phambili every Sunday kuphelile unyaka wona uma phambili uyashumayela nje jiki because kuthiwe wena mind you ngimncane udidise umfundisi umfaka umoya wamademoni angeke kosalunga uzohamba sikhulekele lize liphume le demon because nami at the time ngangikholela ukuthi it's a demon hayi bangikhulekela abazalwane. This is end of 2019. 2010 angazi kwenzakalani I had that breakthrough nje ukuthi yabo at the time engikhulekela nginqunyiwe ngithi ebandleni kodwa ngiyaya ebandleni munqunyiwe ebandleni akusho ukuthi awusayi uyaya bangithatheka abazalwane bangilanda ekhaya ngiyagibela menginayo imali yokugibela bazongigibelisa abazalwane wonke umuntu owazi ukuthi meshumayela ngisho noma kuthiwa awulazi isono sami engisenzile usuzowazi ngoba ngizothathwa lapha emuva ngiyobekwa la phambili ukhuleke kuze kuphume le demon kwangathi nje bayaliphusha shame kwangathi nje bathi nje demoni phuma because it's where I had my worst outburst. I know I was still young. I don't promote this to any child. So if usamntwana ungagijimeli ukwenza izinto zabantu abadala. I remember I started wanting to go out. Ngingasaya esontweni. Ngithe ekhaya ngiyaziwa kuthiwa umntwana oright uyasonta. Ngizophuma nje mina ngolesihlanu ngenkonzweni and kwasekujwayelekile vese ukuthi mina ngiyahamba nje nebandla ngiyahamba 3 days weekend yonke nje angikho. Ngizohamba ngiyemafoza kwakusay Angelos at that time eyilapha ePoint ngizohamba ngeAngelos ngiyotshontsha ingubo zami ngizoyigqoka ngiphume ngihambe ngiye khona hayi kuze ngiphinde ngesonto ngiyavuka ngesontweni ngiphuma khona lapha emachwaleni ngiyagroova ngenza yonke into ngesonto kodwa because lento engaphakathi kumina ayicimi ayipheli iyasho ngisho noma kuthiwa sekula ngifuna okay engekho kithomoyi ngifuna ukugida kodwa la ngiyashaya ngenza yonke into kudlala igqomu la kodwa mina akwenzeki ukuthi ngingafuni ukuconnecta nomoya engcwele Sunday ngesontweni and at the time I didn't discover my church ngangisakhonza ke khona eassembly ngayeka iassembly because sengicikekile assembly nomthetho omkhulu omningi mina siyafuna ukugqoka ngendlela engifuna ukugqoka ngayo esontweni angisafuna ukuhlala ngishawa uThayi la unkingi kube kanjeyana nje ngihambe ngibhekele enye ibandla ngithole elinye ibandla elapha kadi eMlazi ngihambe ngiye khona mengifika khona hayi bengijabule ngithi sebeba ngibone eassembly ngishumayela abo okwazi ukuthi assembly kwenzakaleni ngoba ngingasayi khona sengiza labona abajabulela igeni yabo ukuthi hawe masa mthola umvangeli umuntu ozosigijimesela izwi hayi ngifike khona kube mnandi kube nje yaya but ngithi sengiyayazi impilo yangala ebumnandini senginabangani futhi it's whereby I started ngihamba yena nabangani kuthi nje kuthiwa hayi kunephathi endaweni ukuthi ngiyohamba I started drinking, I started doing things which I do not advise any child to do that. That's why ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi abazali mebekhulisa umntwana especially who is queer abangakhulisa umntwana because who's queer betshela ukuthi sebenza icala bebemkhuza mezinto errong umntwana amkhulise ngendlela elungile angikakusole ngayo mesemdala lisho njalo iBhayibheli. So for mina at a particular point of time vese mina ngithi kwangabonakala ngoba kwazi ukuthi ulungile nje Nkosi Jesu kanti ke linye ilanga uma uyothola kwingubo zami ingubo ezikhona wangibizela umphakathi mengithi umphakathi awangibizelanga like mhlambe omakhelwane abawu2 abawu3 i-row yonke yomakhelwane, the whole neighborhood yayihlezi izongibuza ukuthi, this was 2010, ukuthi are you gay yini? My answer was, I am not gay. I didn't have terminology at that time. Ngangokubi usazwa kanjani lo enguyena namhlanje, but I knew that very well ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi I wasn't gay. But I knew ukuthi ngiyayithanda indoda. That was my answer, ukuthi angikho gay, but I do love men. And that was just it. Kwaphela kanjalo, because ngithi sengiyidemonic manje. Sengikuvumile lokho ukuthi ngiyidemonic, ngithanda indoda, ichilo leli. Ngakuvuma lokho. It's not a sin, guys, but at the time, because of mindset yami, ngangithi ichilo, ngathi ngiyofa esogweni, ngiyosha esogweni nakho. Ngadweba i-tattoo, my first tattoo nje yayila, angiqedanga because yayibhlungu. Ithi Jesus Christ my Savior. Ngibhale ngeShayina. Yithi noma kuthiwa ngiye esogweni ngiyosha negama lakhe. Hey, because I was so rebellious. Ngasuka I dated this guy. Oh, Nkosi Jesu. Shembe. Oh, Thixo. Hey, ngibabiza bonke. Ngahamba ngadweba i-tattoo yami yesibili. Le abayibona ekhaya ngithi yafihleka kalula. Kwenzeka yonke into. Ngadweba i-tattoo yesibili. Ngihlanyiswa uthando. I-World Cup lana ikole nje shayo half jiki kwenzeka yonke leyo nto. Ngahamba ngoyidweba i-tattoo mina. Mengidweba le tattoo ngidweba igama lomfana naye ikudwebe lami. Mesi wadweba ke lama-tattoo, sidweba ama-tattoo siyahamba ke mina naye senza yonke into. Ngifike ekhaya kuthiwe nje yini le. Ngishawe ngenziwe yonke into, ngisuswe i-tattoo. The most painful thing ever in my life kwakuhamba ngiyosusa i-tattoo. Then grade 11 kwaqala izinto zaba right, ngabuyela kwi-SCO. Lempilo ayikuyona yami ngithi. Ngibuyele kwi-SCO, othisha basangithanda basangikholwa. Ngijola nale njaki. Sanele. Nkosi Jesu uzoyibuka lento ngiyadlala mfethu sikhokho. Uthi kumina khola soba nemali. Uzodayisa ama-space esikoleni. Ngaqala ke ngaba umeshent. Impilo yami nje imnandi because ayikho iphase engayiphilanga ke mina. Ngabe imeshent esikoleni, umzalwane oseyadayisa lesikoleni. Othisha mekuthiwa kudayisa mina bayangiphikela. Othisha bebethi kudayisa mina bayangiphikela. Until one day bengimambe eklasini ngihlezi ukwazi bayomiste okumhlophe. Mase kuyashiwo ke kuthiwa hayi nina ni dayisa ama-space nani ukwazi ephike leyo nto bese engadayiswa engazi lutho. Ngithathwe ngiswe staff room. Oh, that was the worst feeling of my life. Othisha bonke bengikake bonke e-staff room sabantu besifazane ngene nabo esilisa. Wonke ofuna ukusho noma yini akaze ngifundise angifundisa. Uzosho nje i-capability yami ngingadlala abafana bakhona abafana ba right high school university labafana balesikoleni bayabheda. Like that was very affirming and very so nice and but at the time it was so weird because khuluma umuntu omdala ngomjolo. Oh Thixo emikhosi, which was very needed because part of my work is to ensure ukuthi abantu bayafunda about sexual health, about because I remember at grade 7 mina ngasala ke namantombazane abafana bayahamba bayakasi angazi babengishiyelisela namantombazane mhlawumbe babeyibona lento. Wathiwa nje asikhulumiswanga ukuthi intombazane iyakwazi ukuchama, akhulunywanga ngezinye izinto, but abafana ngale babetshelwa ngo-masturbation ukuthi mese kulento le kuzophuma uketshezi, lo ketshezi lizokwazi ukuthi nimithise nani nani. Ntombazane nje wakutshela ukuthi uze kwi-masturbation, muke wa-masturbator, kumele ufake iphede, wafundiswa lezo zinto. There wasn't anything contrary about umuntu wesifazane. That's why abantu besifazane abaningi mengikhuluma nabo yize ngibuze ukuthi le ngane yakho yesi-4 uyithola uchamile yini noma wayithola nje ungachamanga. Kube yona language ke le eshuthi abakazi because that becomes something abangayitholanga. So khona ke my principal Mr. Jila was very affirming. Kwabo yena okwaqala ngiyekelela ukuthi ngigqoke uniform yami esikoleni. Oh Nkosi Jesu, that was the epic life of my life ukuthi sengigqoke i-uniform engafemayo ethi mina. The first stage engihamba, I wasn't even bullied about it. The only bullying I really got was from umfana wasezwelihle. I remember njengangesikoleni, and I'm so blessed ukuthi ngumuntu wabantu, because ingane lezi engifunda nazo esikoleni, they were the first ones to defend me without even defending myself. That affirmed me ukuthi bayangibona bayenza yonke into. At that time I didn't have vogue that tell me ukuthi trans. I remember we were called professional gays or drag queens, because that was the term ayisebenziswa ngaso sikhathi. Sechabo sabanje, that kind of vibe. So I started grade 12 ukufunda le ncwadi le, because it was part of our curriculum, iMingithili Zokuna. That is a very Zulu book. Eyangenza ukuthi nami amehla evuleke ukuthi there are possibilities ukuthi ngibe nonanazi nami. So with that, ngifunda ke incwadi. I remember esikoleni ke, because I'm not very good ekukhulumeni isiZulu nokusifunda. It's like ngafunda ebalungwini but ngangifunda ebantwini abamnyama. I'm not very fluent. Thisha wayithanda ukungifundisa uMr Mfeka. Ethi nje babe sengibiza ngomama ke esikoleni. Kuthiwe yasazi, kuthiwe hayi se umama funda mama. Ngiyofunda le part nje yakhuluma ngomahlengi. Angifunda ngesawumhlengi kakhulu, bese ngifundisa somahlengi. Kuthiwe wena ke lo mama wena. That was so affirming because I had support from my peers and all. The only time I really got discriminated esikoleni was a guy from my class. Futhi nakhona yabo lento leyo ukuthi umuntu ekuphaphele ngoba efuna ukuba namandla. Wangijwayela kabi ke etshela ukuthi ngizothula, ngamphendula wathi uyangishaya, ngamshaya. Thixo emikhosi. Ngayibona lapha ukuthi hayi ngoJohn Cena puyaka 619 ngamshaya ngamshaya kanti kwakulehlanu futhi grade 12 lapho. The following lapha iclass lethu ngeze ehlangene ngalo kwaqala ngathi impi. Kwaqala kwabe yo Amanda. Yes, kwaya Amanda noSibeko. So Amanda eshaye uSibeko, uSibeko eshaye Amanda emshaye ezimlumi. Mase beyamhleka ke la mina mase ngidefend uAmanda. uGundi sesembiza uGundi selikhohle igama lakhe la ngempela bengibaleke ukusebenzisa lona legama ngoba engalifuni evese nasesikoleni. uGundi evesane nje elwe nami ngoba ngilwa nalento le ngivesane ngikhulume nami udelela ngisakhumbula ukuthi ngakuthini engishaye ngempama. Hawu ngithi wenzani, ngihlala eBack City vese khona house. So ngimshaye ngize ngifike ngaphansi ngimshaye ngiwine. Yabo lapho kwasoma series of ama-fight. The other Friday kwakulo Amanda noSibeko, this week kwawalwa mina noGundi. The following week kwala uSiphelele noGundi, kwawina uSiphelele. Kwakusengathi sekuzoba khona nje every Friday. Kwangathi wonke umuntu wayeselindele uFriday ukuthi baba zolo kangalindele obusana kutholakala eclassini kuvala umnyango kuthiwa uyakhumbula ukuthi wena ushayi. So that was I'm not promoting bullying esikoleni guys, but I'm trying to show ukuthi they were not very homophobic, but kwakhona nalokho ukuthi the road wasn't very easy. Not everybody was very accepting. Abanye mhlawumbe babengakhuluma emaceleni kodwa babengakhuluma in front of my eyes, and babengiprotecta kwezinye izikole mhlawumbe babekusho nje la esikoleni kodwa wangekho lutho lapha. So wahamba isikhathi waphela kunyaka ku matric dance yami. It was amazing. I remember cause that's one of the days I'll never forget in my life. Ngahlala phansi no thisha omkhulu wami uMr Jila. Nkosi Jesu. Loya baba. Wangitshela lento ayisho labo thisha ke staff room engizungezile. Kodwa useyisho kahle. Uyisho sikusetting right, uyangitshela nje ukuthi no baningi abantu abanjengami okanjani sengibabonile phela bona ithi bazothi mina nje ngongcwele ngcele ingane esontisayo lesikoleni eyenza kahle eshawo English Academy ngiyafika almost every day ngangema ku-assembly so ngiyafika ngikhuluma ngesonto ngiyafika ngikhuluma isingisi lana ngiba representa ko UKZN sibuya nama awards so nje ngingane right esikoleni ngingane elungile so nje usiyangibonisa ukuthi hayi ungaqoma abafana nje they will not work but akasayibeki njengalabo abengifakela ipressure abayifake bonke bendawonye so I will forever that's one of the men engihlezi ngisho ukuthi every person needs a man like that in their lives ozokwazi ukuthi ebe blunt but kuba blunt kwakhe ebe necare cause obaba bamanje they have absent enganeni zakhona abakwazi ukuthi bazokhuluma kanjani nezingane but Mr Jila did manage that. I think that's why okumhlophe was one of the best schools esakhona even noma sebemzamile ukumshaya ngo16 bullet waphila waba khona leya ndoda Nkosi Jesu but asikho ngawe la sila about how I discovered myself. So there was a girl called Ulisiba. She was from Johannesburg. Sasithetha Facebook ke Facebook wasanda kuba musha nje sisaphuma kumix it so siyachetha naye uyangifundisa ukuthi okay ukuze kusobonakala ukuthi ibele lakho lime kahle enza kanje. She was the only person nje wayengenzela leyo nto and then engitshela ukuthi ayibo siyehla size eDurban sizokwenza photoshoot yama Brave Beauties. Mind you, I'm 17 days here and I cannot shoot. Ngithi hayi ngiyeza nami ngiyahamba. Beshoot ole nabo ngiqale ngihlala namantombazane. There was an older lady kuthina wayeseqalile ukudla ama hormones which was uSeni. But I didn't get information about gender affirming healthcare at the time. Wangitshela ukuthi nodokotela uGavenda usemhlanga. Mind you, ngiqeda isikole. Last year mina ngino17 anginamali akunalutho uzongitshela ngodokotela wasemhlanga umhlanga ngwazi ngasemlazi lokushini angazi lutho and but ngithi no I want this ngibhalele organization ese Cape Town Gender Dynamics ongaqanga again lesibenzise ihlule ukungisiza ngibhalele Cape Town bengangiphendula ihlezi ngibalisa lonto ukuthi mina kusane email yami ngisayi teenager nangangiphendula ngidinga usizo we becomes a accountability to us as people who run organizations ukuthi let us try ukuthi mengenalo usizo lomuntu umphendula umtshela anginalo lokusizo ungathula kephi or uzama kephi. So I didn't get that help upheleke lo nyaka 2013 ngibe ne 18th birthday party. It's where I think that was my official coming out as Usazi because I grew up being called by my nickname. So my first name in my ID was Pure Saki. My second one is Thandwa Senkosi. The last one is Usazi, very short and sweet. So Pure Saki, nobody knew how to call it. Even nami ngangikwazi pronounce sengiyasho nje manje ngoba sengimdala ukuthi nguSiphiwo Saki ngusithandwa senkosi ngangikwazi nokuyibhala leyo nto ngibhala into wrong ngibhala amahliphi dots methi wabhala igama lakho. So I resonated with Usazi because Usazi was very short and sweet ngekho into engizoyibheda spelling nayo yonke into. So ngaqala lapho ukuthi no ngithi guysini this is my coming out party angisawusebenzisa igama lami enangingibiza ngalo ngikhula. Hey, ngicela badlali ngakhomment abalaziyo abakhule nami ningalibhali kuma comments guys ngiyanicela cause yo le chroma bayeka ukungibiza ngalo abantu abaningi cause what I did, this is what I'm telling you guys ke ukuthi nimenza kanjani abantu ukuthi bekubize ngendlela ofuna ukubizwa ngayo. Yawo umuntu bezokubiza like for example if usibonelo but ufuna ukubizwa ngosibo umuntu bememeza sibonelo nje uyithulele kube ngathi awumuzwa. That's what I did. I never like ngangaphendula ngisho lokuphendula kube ngisho namanje umuntu bebiza lo gama angiqalazi angenzi lutho ngiyayithulela umdala mncane. I will not do that unless ungazi at all. Ngiyakutshela ukuthi no uyangimistake igama lami ngosazwa kanjani mase hayibo ngiyakwazi wena ngithi uyangazi ethi uyangazi wabuyazi usazwa kanjani. ID yami Stefet Sam sasithi sazi ijali nje from at the beginning. So abantu ke bafunda kanjalo. My mom washintsha ke naye waqala waba accepting. Waqala wathi nje ingane yami mina ngazala usazi ID yakhe ethi sazi igama lakhe ngiqamba usazi akekho kodwa ke yaze ngiqambe ngihlezi ngimbuza ukuthi ekuthiwa unethuba lokungiqamba uzongiqamba ukuthini because sipho sakhe ngaqanjwa ukhulu wami uMaria ongizalayo. So I'm currently writing a book ethi It All Started with Mary. Ugogo wami igama lakhe kuba kuMary. So uyena wangiqamba usipho sakhe because ngangingekho right from birth. I was born a premature child. So instead ukuthi ngizalwe after ngabo June ngazalwa ngo-April, which I love my star sign because I'm an Aries, which makes and shape who I am. Olesibili usithandwa senkosi ngaqanjwa umamncane wami uMatse ngoba wayethi na ngithandwe inkosi akwenzanga lutho. Usazi ngaqanjwa u-aunt wami from my father's side because wayeshilo ukuthi ingane zakhe ufuna zidlalele la emagameni akhe. So there is usazi kwiside la kababa, there's usazi, there's uazi, there's uazile. So yabo nje ukuthi it's a rhyme full words. So kwaba kanjalo ke waye kumama ethi nje umana ke uyayithanda imali. Wangibiza igama wrong ethi 10 rand. Shawu 10 rand la isandleni. So everybody easily kwaphela unyaka wonke umuntu esengibiza ngegama lami eliku-ID elikanjani, noma ungibiza igama wrong noma uzokuziba bekujwayele ukhokha 10 rand. So laphela ke lo nickname abengibiza ngayo ngabuyela kwigama lami eliku-ID. And then I starting looking around. There is ubhuti Sibusiso engahlangana naye. Oh, before that, hey guys, sengikhohliwe ukuthi ngaphinde ngabuyela esontweni. Shembe ngoba ngiyalithanda isonto. Kwemanje hawe mangithi Shembe kodwa ngizokhuluma ngoNkulunkulu. Okay, kodwa uNkulunkulu Shembe yo kodwa kuningi yo. Okay, so uma wami ngathi uma wami ekhaya lami abasonto mina kuphela ngisodaya ngasindiswa ngikushilo lokho kwenzeka konke. Sengiyaqala ke manje ke sengithi ayingeke phela ngiyakhumbula esontweni ngithi nginqonyiwe lapha ngihamba ngawusonto la sonto kwabamnandi. Sengakhona akusekho mnandi kakhulu because angisakhululeki kahle njengokuthi ngumina futhi angisafuni ukuba active kakhulu esontweni. Uvesana ukushone omunye enye igay yasemlazi ngifike khona hawe ma umfundisi wakhona nanku the apostle Dr. Zungu kunomama omuhleni guys angiphiki bandla into yangisesontweni kwakulo ya mama egqoka umhelane omngaka drama yomhelane eshumayela ngeaphula neorange. So ethi abazali abaningi bajwayele ukuzala ama-aphula. I-aphula ovesana ulikhe esihlahleni ulisule noma uluwashe ulidle. Akho lutho ekhakhaya, akho lutho enjani, uyalidla nje liyadleka kuba right. Abazali abaningi ke bakhetha ungawadla ama-orange. Ngobani i-orange uthi muluma libabe. Mase libabile i-orange leze njani mukade ungazi ukuthi linojuice ngaphakathi. Ithi usuhlele phathe babayi uyalahla. So waye representa i-aphula la kuyi-cis person. So a cisgender person is a person who identify the same sex and their gender identity. So if they were assigned male at birth, wakhula naye wayibona ukuthi ungowesilisa, that is a cisgender person. So ayukuthi asithina kuphela sinamagama nani naleleni igama, it's a cis, it's a term elisetshenziswayo for ukusho ukuthi umuntu wazalwa and kuqondanile kuya-aligna because igama elithi straight ngeke ngathanda ukusebenzisa because nami at one point of time I was straight because I was only dating men. So meyichaza ke lento lo mama unale ama-grammatic effects ke ngithi umhelane uzoshumayela kube ngathi siyawo isigqoko akasibambi nangesandla uzobuye sesithi kanje ngisho ukuthi Shembe ngiyazilwezulu wenzani lo mama ngathi nje next week Sunday next week ngesonto day after ngiya ngelibandla engalifuna la at the time sasakhonzela la eDragon ngafika khona babe inform yakhona kwakusayi leopard print le ungizwe ethi asingayifaki kwakuyinform yethu yedwala le yayiqokwe yithina ebandleni lami shame idwala gqoka yona insika ke misigqoka isudi nothayi obovu. So insika was a person who identifies as male, whether it's a lesbian, whether it's a gay person, but nje othi nje ngimasculine mina uzofaka inform insika idwala azofaka i leopard print. Hey ngifike nje nami ngithawe ma hey kuyashumayelwa kuleli bandla ushumayelwa and ngiyamuzwa uNkulunkulu ngithi ngiphuma mina Assemblies of God ngiyamazi uNkulunkulu moya ngcwele mesephakathi kuthini hayibo nakho ngizwe uNkulunkulu la hey phela mina lento le ngitshola ukuthi uyidemoni ufika kanjani uNkulunkulu emadimonini Thixo hayi ngaqhubeka ngakhonza ke khona ngaze ngaba uthisha kaSonto Skole because one of my passions as kids I love kids. With that ngaqhubeka ngaba ilunga lebandla iVMCI under the Apostle Dr. Z Zungu and the late prophetess Magatsheni Zungu. Abantu abanye bahlezi bekhala mengichaza ibandla lami because ngizochaza nje lonke ngisho ukuthi it's a fivefold ministry church elenza yonke into asikhonza amanzi asikhonza umuntu sikhonza uNkulunkulu ophilisayo sazi ukuthi igama elilodwa nje eliphilisayo lishintsha umuntu kuyigama likaNkulunkulu nje kuphela. It's not a gay church but it is a gay friendly church. So ngaqala ke ngakhonza ke khona kwaba right so sengibuyele esontweni sengiyazama ukuyeka ngala ngithathe mina sengiprova ngihamba indawo ngihamba ama terminals ngoSushi FM ngihamba oMafoza sengiyayeka ngibuyele esontweni sekunzimana ke phela ngoba impela semhlabeni sengiyayazi ave singashiyeki isono. Bayabeza abangani bami ukuthi every Saturday mesiphumile whether soya kaNothana noma soya kaThabiso noma soya kephi ngesonto I used to drive a small car at that particular point of time yayincane nje iyelo sonke sonqabelana emotweni siya esontweni ngesonto anginendaba ukuthi kunjani mungena into ogqoka kulowo muzi bekhona abafana bayoshintsha begqoka ingubo zalabo bantu izobafumalanyana sonke siya esontweni ngithi nani ngihambisela indawo zeni zobumnyama namasambeni ke sesontweni. My friends were like that ukuthi Friday Saturday kuyagroova ngesontweni ngesonto hayi kwaqala ke ngabuyela esimeni sami ke sokuthi mina sengisonta every day so the Monday to Friday even amathiwa ngisaya ebandleni lami ngivakashela amanye ababandla ngihamba inkonzo ezo 6 to 6 ngihamba amanye amabandla ngiyahamba nama intercessor siya intercede lana siyathandaza senza yonke into yaqala ngiyabuyeka impilo yami yashapeeka. Then I met uBhuti Sibusiso ke is a trans man. A trans man is a person who are assigned female at birth wazalwa kwathiwa ungowesifazane akayena akazalwa ngengowesifazane wazalwa kuthiwa. So that's what we really need to understand whenever sikhuluma about transgender people. Transgender people are not born or are not abazalwanga kwathiwa abazalwanga bewumfana wazalwanga intombazana wa assigned because wengena umlomo wakho ukukhuluma. So there's a difference between sex and gender. So sex is what's between your legs. Sex is your characteristics ukuthi uno XY chromosomes unama hormones unama hormones estrogen noma une testosterone unane emzimbeni wakho unesibeletho unama testes that becomes your sex, your biological makeup. And then your gender becomes how you identify yourself. So whenever mesifundisa abantu sithi kunobulili because esiZulwini sinegama elilodwa sithi konke ubulili. So there is ubulili bendalo, then there is ubulili bokuzazi. So ubulili bendalo ikona ke lokhu abakubona odokotela mesebesho ukuthi no, this person is a female or this person is a male. Then ke igender kumuntu uyakwazi ukukhula meseyayibona. And sometimes because odokotela bethu umuzalo asinayo imali they will not check ukuthi you are intersex because we have 47 types of intersex la KwaZulu Natal only. So umuntu intersex umuntu ozalwe with 2 sex characteristics, meaning ukuthi uba nakho kokubili, ngenza ukuthi unama hormones emzimbeni ukuthi like uCaster Semenya. Caster Semenya akanawo ama-testes esiswini njengoba abantu behlezi behambe besho, une-high levels of testosterone which makes them intersex. There's a person ozoba nama-testes ngaphakathi esiswini, or there's a person ozoba nakho kokubili kuvele ngaphandle. There's a person okuzoba ukuthi okunye ku-dominant okunye akukho dominant. So there's a different types of intersex persons mebezalwa abantu. So odokotela bakuboni lokho. So mekhulu umuntu ke kwenzeka kanjalo. So uTK as a trans man efike ezongitshela ukuthi there's udokotela uDr Chris McCarthlin oseMaritzburg ongangisiza, ngithathe ikhwama zami nami ngidrive ngeMaritzburg ngiyofuna ukubona lo dokotela. Sengilinkile uTK, ngiqaleke nami my first encounter of transition eSouth Africa from incwadi methi lizokuna to uAglibet engangimboka kwi-TV was uTK, because sengiyambona mina ngibonela nje ubhuti usuwahlala insizwa kanti uzongilethela indaba right. Ngaqala ngatransition ngase ngabona ukuthi no, gatekeeping kunzima because abantu abaningi bayafuna lo sizo ngilidingayo engalitholi indawo. So I started ukuthi ngiye ngimbone udokotela and I started taking people ngibayise khona ke kudokotela. So that's how my organization started by helping people ukuthi ngeke kwathiwa ngiyarecruiter ke abanye ke mebesho ngizozama ukuthi ngikwenzele incwadi, ngizohamba ngiye kubantu engibaziyo ngithi cela bandle clinic babe ngazi ukuthi ngi-active mina emphakathini, ngicela ngibhale referral letter for sibanibani, ebhale referral letter ehambe ubona psychologist mase yaqala. So that's how everything started for my transition. So I owe it up to Ulisiba, to UTK or Sibusiso. Wabeke sokuba kanjalo ngithe kusanjalo ke ngisiza abantu ngenza yonke lento le. Remember ukuthi ngithe kwakhona i-photoshoot eyenzeka kushuthwa kwenza yonke into angashutha kuloya nyaka. The following year sengina 18 phela manje nami ngathi ngizoshutha December. Remember December 2013 usuphela because mina ngizalwa ngo-April. So 2012 angikwazanga ukushutha. 2013 ngangisengilapha eBeach igqoka swimming costume mhla ka1 mind you, mhla ka1 igcola kanjani nolwandle. Kwakuthi nje phenduka abantu besibuka kwami abantu ukubhukuda kwami igoli ukubhukuda babuka thina sishutha. That's where my activism started within the trans space or the LGBTQI space. Sengiphumile ukusiza abantu, sengiphumile enkolweni, sengiphumile ey'ntweni ey'ningi, sengila ekuthenini ke how do we discover ourselves. So I started that project with Prof Zanele Mholi, whereby it's called Brave Beauties, whereby kuzoshuthwa abantu who are trans and gender diverse. Iy'thombe zethu-ke kuyithola emabondeni ahlukahlukene oko-Paris, US, yonke indawo. It's very nice mengifika endaweni ngifike sengiyibona nami ngiyi-celebrity la ngasekhaya bangazi, kodwa mengifika eParis wonke umuntu uzothi hawu ma uyena ngicela autograph, ngishawa amahloni kube njani kube njeyana, because of the work that we do, because that is showing ukuthi the diversity of trans people within the world. Because abantu abaningi bathi khona umuntu otrans e-Africa, hayi asiyazi leyo nto. So sashutha-ke lezo y'thombe ngaqala ngakhula ngaqala ngabona ukuthi khona into ukuthi. So uProf ngimbiza ngobaba-ke mina-ke. Prof was like kumele kube khona i-organization yabantu aba-trans la KwaZulu Natal. Ngihlalelene ngimncane nginabo kunawo wonke umuntu wayekhona at that particular point of time. Bakhona ole badala, bakhona oMelisa badala, oSeni, o-Alutha. Ngingane mina ngithiwa ngitsho ukuthi kukhulunywa nabo hayi nami, kanti lento le ivalule emathanjeni ami angazi mina. Ngihambe ngiyofunda i-shipping because at that time ngiqala 2013 ngangifuna ukwenza i-nursing mina. Ngangifuna nje ukuba unesi, igazi ngilisabane kulowo mzuzu kodwa nje angazi ngithi ngizoba unesi kanjani ngisaba igazi. Ngahamba-ke ngenza i-shipping esikoleni, so ngafunda e-SA Maritime. Mengifunda e-SA Maritime, I was like ngiyaqala ngiyasiza abantu, ngiyabahambisa abantu kuyothatha ama-hormones. Nami sengila sengiqala ukuba nolwazi, ngiyafunda nami ngenza yonke into. Ngiqale ngibe nenkinga yokuthi sengifike esigabeni sokuthi ngifuna ukushintsha umazisi wami. Ngithi umazisi wami bafake loya big M laphaya engingawazi bawufakeleni, ongakhulumi nami. Ngifunda isikole ngithi ngeke mina ama-results ami ebuye ethi ngumail nangephathi yaMandela soze sana. So I started i-process yokushintsha legal gender recognition, LGR. Ngaqala-ke ngayisayina izinto, kwaqala yabuya i-ID yami. I'm one of the shortest persons e-South Africa kwabuyelwe i-ID yakhe. Abantu bahlala 6 months, onyaka, obani, usazwa kaJali yathatha 2 months, a month ukuthi ibuye, a month and 1 week ukuthi ibuye i-ID yami. I-ID akubuyi i-ID kwi-certificate eseshoyo ukuthi usazi iJali M, because i-gender marker ilaphaya kwi-ID number. Izobuya isine-ID number right, ezobuya ithi to mina ngosibani wakabani. How yabuya, I was so happy. Yathatha nje the shortest amount of time yabuya. Ngathi uNkulunkulu ngiyabonga. Hamba wabonga abazali bami, ngabonga yonke into. Athi-ke ngoba sengu-female-ke nga-graduate esikoleni as a female. I'd never realized ukuthi being female is so hard. Cause ngabe sengithola ithuba lokuthola umsebenzi. Umsebenzi ngawuthola eKapa Lodum. Ngahamba ngaye eCape Town, mind you, ngingane kama ngihambe ngeCape Town. eCape Town akuphelanga 3 months ngahluleka. Ngiyahluleka Nkosi. Ngingedwa, hayi ngahluleka ngempela. Hey ngahluleka. Hayi ukuthi ngihlule umsebenzi. Into ade yenzeke esikoleni ngiyayazi iyona le. Hluleka ukuhlala la. Ngibuka abantu la, mengibuka ngala, ngibuka umuntu bayahleka. Ngithi hayi bahleka mina. Ngibuka ngala, bayasineka, basineka mina. Ngibuka ngala, bakhuluma ngami labantu angibezwa abantu. Bakhuluma Afrikaans. I cannot prat to save my life. Wonke umuntu every corner ngala. Ngilo mZulu ocishe ufane nalo baba lo ekumele sim-address ungizwe. Ongasikhulumi isingisi kakhulu. Okay, isingisi ngiyasikhuluma kakhulu ngoba isiZulu sibesibaleke. Kodwa ongayikhuluma enye language. Hayi ngibe nalo nkinga ke ngibuye ngangibuyela iPhasika. Ngeke ngaphindela yini emuva emsebenzini mina. Ngangazi ukuthi kuya resignwa, ngangazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Angiphindelanga nje ngabuya nje kuyiholiday. Abantu babejothi ngixoshiwe, angixoshwanga, ngaze ngaxoshwa MSc. Ngave sanengayiyekela ngayibuyela ngoba kwakunzima ukulalela abantu bekhuluma into engayazi ngisho ukuthi bakhuluma ngami. I'm so sorry my ex-colleagues ababesebenza e-MSc eCape Town. If naningahlebi ngami ngempela, if naningahleki mina, ngiyaxolisa, but if nanihleba mina ngempela wazi namanje angazi ukuthi nanithini. Nangilimaza nangibalekisela ukuthi ngisebenze. So mengiyeka-ke lo msebenzi ngibuyele la ekhaya. Akuhlaleki-ke yazi umuke usujwayele ukuvuka. Ngiqale ngiregister my non-profit organization which was uTranshope. Ngithathe sengibasiza abantu. So manje sengiyaregister-ke ngiregister ukuthi siza abantu. Ngiqale-ke ngithola funding from u-AIDS Foundation of South Africa Global Fund. Sambe siyofundiswa ukuthi iranwa kanjani i-organization. That was my first funding engayithola, engayibhalela nje engayithola. Sahamba-ke safike sasebenza-ke safunda. Ngathatha abangani bami Thabiso because ngikhule naye, my best friend nje from primary. Ngathatha oDom futhi ngathatha labanye abantu aba-trans and gender diverse. Sayiqala nabo-ke lento lomshikashika sawuhamba. Kade bebeluthi kwenza i-organization seyavuleka-ke manje. Sihambe-ke siqale sisiza abantu, beqale abantu be-access i-gender affirming healthcare. Siqale siluke sihamba siyalwe endaweni senza yonke into. Ukulwa kwami-ke kugcine sekungazisa kwabantu abakhulu. Ngagcina sengazi uSpeaker of KwaZulu Natal okuwumama uNontembeko Boys. I love you mami. Sesiyahamba-ke kule journey ngiyasho ukuthi ngeke phela abantu mina ngithatha umuntu waseNewcastle, ngithatha umuntu wasemtubatuba, ngithatha umuntu waseManguze ngimlethe eMaritzburg uthi uyobona uDr Chris. Indaba singavuleleki kube khona abanye odokotela kwezinye indawo sokwazi ukuthi bethole labantu usizo. Ngeke wonke umuntu usuka le ugibela amateksi amangaka uhamba how many hours nje ukuyobona udokotela for usizo. Ungenayo imali ukuthi ufika kanjani lapha. So kwaqala-ke izalwa kwase kwaba khona into ayiqala kuSpeaker, which was the first LGBTQI symposium within the not within the province of KwaZulu Natal kuphela, but within the South African all. Yaqala nje through those conversation back in 2019 yabe siyaqala leyo nto ukuthi sesiyabuya-ke sothi i-constitution yase South Africa ithini. Sesibiza o-MEC omama noma Gugu Simelane siyababiza bahlala la sithi nina yini into enizoyisiza ngathi la bese beyasho mesingenzeki leyo nto bese sihamba siyolwa sithi nina nithembisile last year ukuthi kuzokwenzeka into ukuthi indaba ngowenzeki. So that's how the work started ukuthi sesiyaqala sibabeka in accountability-ke labantu abakhulu ukuze sithi nazi insiza ziyenzeka pre-office lama Nontembeko Boys. Yaqala kwaba khona i-pop-in clinic, i-clinic yahulumeni lapha eGateway Clinic yadivumela ukuthi kungena abantu esibabiza ngama-sex workers. We need to decriminalize sex work because iyona le enza ukuthi i-commercial sex work ibe nzima because sinabantu ababambe odadewethu bebadayisise bengathandi, kanti mekuthiwa illegal sokwazi ukuprosecute, sokwazi protection yabantu, sokwazi ukwenza zonke lezo zinto. OP konke lokho people who use drugs uP loyo LGBTQI members ukuthi kwaze ukuthi kube khona indlela yokureport ukuthi nazi izinto. So kwahamba-ke lezo zinto nangusazi uyabonakala uyakhula within the space uthi hayibonansi lengane bo abantu beqale bengirecognize the siyacela-ke sazi ukuthi uzojoyina isikhungo sethu saka civil society. Ngojoyina civil society, ujoyina civil society angazi nokuthi yini, ngazi mina ukukhuluma ngiyaleva. Ngiyafika lapha nakhulunywa izinto engingazazi. Ngokukhulunywa ngo-deputy president ngimazela kwi-TV. Uyabuyiswa lo muntu, yebo sengiqalile ngiyababona ominister bami la, yabo ngiyahlala nabo. Angowazi ukuthi this level izifike lapha ya ko-president, izifike lapha ya phezulu. So that's where it started ukuthi to understand the work that we're doing ukuthi ibaluleke kangakanani ukuthi izifike kwi-office la president. I remember the march yayikhona if we uthe ukukhula ngayona i-alpha Gen Z uyithina ungala uzokhumbula 2019 ukuthi saba khona i-march, national march owavaleka umhlaba wonke wase South Africa ukuthi kumashola ukuthi akuyeke kuhlukumezwa abantu within gender-based violence. I was one of the people who was leading like KZN, especially for LGBTQI community. I was assaulted ngisakhula ngaphinde nga-assaultwa umuntu engangimbiza ngomngane nami because they felt ukuthi indoda ine-power kunomuntu esifazane. So that gave me a freedom because angihlezi ngivala lento ngingafuna ukukhuluma ngayo, but namanje ngeke ngikhulume ngayo kakhulu because there is a book njengoba ngishilo, it's all written there. So kwaba khona lo movement akhona, well nami ngaqala ngashapeeka, nami ngaqala ngafunda izinto, ngayeka-ke ukusebenzela ubasi, ngayisebenza kanje ngabe sengiyahamba-ke ngenza zonke lezi zinto engizenzayo for umphakathi, especially the LGBTQIA+ community. Kuze kwafika lapho ekuthenini sengithi mina hi guysini nami I'm advocating for abantu bethola ama-hormones but mina angisekho right, ifuna ukwenza i-surgery. Kwakumele ngenze i-surgery yami ngo-2019 yangenzeka. 2020 kwathiwa ngiyoyenza. or babukeli sengatshela i-radio babukeli i-gender affirming surgery it's whereby ulungisa into emzimbeni wakho so you are affirming yourself njengoba ngishilo ukuthi umuntu otrans asuke engazalwa ngathi umfana so sibalekela yona lento lo kuthiwa abantu bayashintsha akekho umuntu oshintshayo mntanami ayekho umuntu ozalwe wazalwa emzimbeni wrong it's part of your body is wrong wena you are correct it's just that some of part of your bodies azikho right like for mina enginezandla zokaba ukona okurongi lokho mengifuna ukuafema ngikulungise ngizohamba ngiye kwenzani ngiyojima mengihluleka ukujima ngizohamba ngiyowenzani ngekudokotela akungishaye ngama facts injections la kuphele lezandla zokwaba nakhona kwi-surgery i-gender affirming surgery it's something like that asuke siguqula umuntu osimshintsha suke silungisa ngoba akukho okusuke ngaphumi okuphuma kwenye indawo okuzonama kwakwena suke konke kukwena especially for trans women kuthiwa you turning an outie to an innie so if ubuka i-structure ke somuntu wesifazane nowesilisa isitho sangasese ziyafana zonke asikho singafani i-penis ne-vagina kwakhiwe ngomgumbo ofanayo so if ubona i-clitoris kumuntu wesifazane ubuka ikhinqi kumuntu wesilisa into eyodwa leyo so basuke sebelungisela lokho ukuthi if asayina kwathiwa umuntu wesilisa une-penis bazoshintsha benze yonke into kahle ibuyele ibe sesimeni iphinde futhi mewowesilisa kuyenzeka kubantu besilisa ke if you are assigned female at birth and you identify as male that's why ngizothi owesilisa kuba nama two types of surgeries khona imetha kube khona ifalo so i-metoplasty ne-phalloplasty so i-metaplasty I hope I'm not getting this wrong i-metoplasty is whereby bezojova ukuze i-clitoris yakho ithi ukuba yinde kancane and then bese bayayishintsha beyifake if unama labels amaningi bazoyiroundisa ngayo ukuze ibe yakhe ushafu wakho izochama yenze yonke into iyavuka ime yenze yonke into ukuthi nje iba mfishane then ifalo ithwebha bezothatha skin sakho la bese beyahamba ke beyosenza Dr Kevin lapha besirole besenze kahle belibuyise sokuba khona ushafu with that there is ama mechanism okuyenza ukuthi nakhona iqine because ngithi ushafu wakho lo lana bazoxhuma ama nerves uzozwa wenza yonke into uzochama wenza yonke into but now the issue it becomes uqina because your nerves akaqinile kahle ngoba ayikho ilento le so bazobe seyakwazi ukwenzela ama pumps benze yonke into so most of people ba prefer lo because ngisho noma ehamba emgaqweni uyayibona lapha yana iprint ngisho noma echama akasaba ukuchama uduze komunye umuntu uzokhipha nje into elingana nabanye ethuntuthi kanti lo owenze i-image usaba ukuthi kuzothiwa ucecane ngizowenzani mina na uyasebenza kodwa bayawubalekela kakhulu ngoba bazane bebona kuthiwa into encane kanje baye bethikeke because amaXhosa anobhinzo omkhulu bake bezama ukusebenzisa yona ke bona ngoba bayazi ukuthi verse eyami yinde so mhlawumbe izoba ngaka then eyabanye abantu aba genetically having a small beans ezoba mfishane so that becomes possible of nature then for trans women abesifazane kuba khona into ekuthiwa i-vaginoplasty so mina 2019 ngahamba ngenza i-orchidectomy where it's removing of both testicles. I remember I traveled alone ngasuka la eKZN ngingedwa ngihamba ngaya eMthathe Eastern Cape ngafika ngayenza khona kungekho umuntu ongitravelisa ongenza yonke into so that's what I always do then mase ngiyenzile ngaqala ngavulela iminyango khona ke ngathi hey nginenqwaba yabantu abaningi abafuna ukuyenza lento le so bathatha ngawani ukuba lethe la beloke benza yonke lento ethiwa ngi-recruit ngibeke sekuba kanjalo kwathi 2019 seyithi ngiyowenza i-vaginoplasty COVID akhanjwe ezweni yabo 2020 sorry akhanjwe ezweni kwakuthi angikhali ngishone sengazi ukuthi nje hawe ma babuya kwasikhombisa njengokhozi. So i-vaginoplasty it's whereby uthatha angeke ngithi isidoda ngoba I was never a male, uthatha a penis uyishintshe ibe vagina because ubhontshisi uphuma laphayana and then bese bekwenzela i-canal yokuthi ube nje ne-vagina ukuthi uma wenza icansi kwenzeke. The only thing ukuthi awokwazi ukumitha-ke ungalenza nje ucansi kodwa kubalulekile-ke wenza ucansi oluphephile because currently sinabantu aba-1.1 million aba-missing on treatment esibafunayo esifuna bebuyele kwi-treatment. Sinama-STIs amaningi ayasabisa ama-STIs esiwabonayo ey'nganeni zethu, especially who present themselves within the LGBTQI community. I had a privilege also of sitting within ispace saka-research esikhuluma ngazo lezi zinto lezi ingcwaningo zokuthi amakhambi HIV, izinto zokuthi preventwa kanjani HIV or PrEP. We are currently doing iy'tadi khona ezithi wena mufuna ukwazi ukuthi osize wena nabanye abantu abazemva kwakho ukuthi bengatheleleki ngesandelo langculaza because sinento yokuthi sifuna ukureach out 2030 ingculaza ingasekho or new infection ingasekho. So kancane kancane siloke senze izinto ezikhona ezikwazi ukuvimba. So kune study ke sikhona sifuna abantu besifazana abesilisa abaku-LGBTQI community ukuze bekwazi ukuvikelela kuyona. So lolu cwaningo ke esihamba ngalo livikela kona lokho ukuthi abantu bekwazi ukusizakala ukuthi isandulela singalento le but ayikwazi ukuvimba ama-STIs. Ngicela uqale ngiqede leliphuzu bese ngiyawuthatha umbuzo. So awukwazi ukumitha kodwa usazoyithola i-STI, usazoyithola i-HIV, kuzokwenzeka nje izinto ey'ningi kuwena but nje muyibuka iyafana nawo wonke abantu besifazane kwenzeke konke. That's why I am a certified virgin after doing my surgery. Angikaze ngaba nomuntu wesilisa since then, which killed my relationship because angiqaba ukumnikeza ngoba mengifuna nje ukukhombisa ukuthi intombi yakwazi ukuhlala njengentombi, insizwa ihlale njengensizwa. Ngihlezi kokwentombi and ngizoqhubeka ngilwe ngohamba umhlanga ngize nithi aunt. It's very unfortunately ukuthi vese usekukhiphile lokho ukuthi yena angeke ulalele umthetho kahulumeni. So uqala phansi ngizokhuluma ngakho ukuthi siphila kwi-South African Constitution. UKwaZulu Natal still falls under it. Ukushaye indiva lokho wathini uzohamela amaZulu, uzomela usiko unqubo lapho isikompilo yakhe but aqale ngathi ukuthi kube khona abantu abaku-LGBTQIA+ community and bahlezi bebe khona. Igama elithi Sitabane hlezi advocate la sithi liyiqala. Lifana njengegama elithi Kwerekwere, lifana njengegama elithi Phara, lifana njengegama elithi Shawa. Wonke lo magama awucwasi, amagama angamele ukuthi asetshenziswe. Angokukhulumi nje ngamagama awasebenzisile amanye ukuthi abantu abacwasi. Igama nje lona elilodwa nje alisebenzisile kuyikhona kucwasa nje kukodwa okukhulu asekwenzile okwenze ukuthi abantu abaningi kuvukumale. So mina sazwa kanjani ngomunye oqala abenze le show ukuthi there are cases pending azokwazi ukuthi you account for ukulimaza i-constitution yase South Africa nokulimaza umsebenzi esiwenze kangaka. At first mesingafuni ukukubopha besifuna ukuhlala phansi sifundisane as how this show is meant to do. Ukuthi sifundise abantu. This is what we wanted. We wanted to sit down with you, sikufundise sikwazisa ukuthi kwenzeka kanje because you cannot separate umuntu from ubuyena. Mina ngintombi yomZulu. I am a transgender woman and I am a pansexual person. Akusoze wakushintsha lokho and akusoze kwahlephuka lokho. So you stating ukuthi umuntu o gay shouldn't wear attire yamaZulu. that becomes a problem. Ngiyayizwa isikhalo sakho sokuthi i-uniform bekuthiwa or imvunulo ade beyifakile yamakhosi, but now baningi abantu ade beshada kule ngoba ade kuSeptember engingababala abakhulu abadumile, one of them nje uWiseman mikade efake the very same mvunulo from head to toe. As much as ade dlala inkosi kushaka ilembe kodwa meyifakile naye eganelwa, ngithi umuntu wesilisa uyaganelwa, uyashadelwa, okay, eshadelwa meyifakile. What's now the difference between yena nowesilisa othandana nomunye umuntu wesilisa, because bonke babantu besilisa? I think that becomes something esithi let us try and go back, siyofundisana ukuthi usiko lethu lithini, ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi mase siqhubeka sazi ukuthi ukuthi akuqoko sibanibani. Kufana nje ngemvunulo yeyintombi, ngiye ngibona abantu emgaqweni omaka Enzo beswenkile ngayo beyifakile, ubone ukuthi hayibo umuntu usefaka lento le ethu i-secret yeyintombi, because it's now a market, siyakwazi ukudayiseka, itholakele yonke indawo. Yes, nathi intombi siyishintshile imvunulo, sathatha imvunulo yaseMaswatini sayishintsha, sayi-editha, sayenza kwabe yethu because of trending things and styles ukuthi sifuna ukubuya kanjani. But if we can then go back, sifundisana ukuthi ngempela sigqoka kanjani, senza kanjani, so understand lokho. But also abantu abagay, they were always there in history, and aqali manje if unenkinga nakho, I will say ukuthi come educate yourself. Sikhona, as much as there are cases pending, because ubheshi osulenzile olokulimaza abantu solukhulu kakhulu. I think you remember when ukhulume ngamandiya kwenzakalana. If you remember kalithutha ikhale during isikhathi selooting kwenzakalana, namanje kuzokwenza the very same thing. Umlomo uyakha ngomlomo uyabhidliza. What you have done, you have torn apart isizwe sakaZulu, because thina saziwa njengesizwe sihlonipha kakhulu amaZulu nje. Uyazi ukuthi into yokuqala mekuthiwa umZulu esa-inherit, if usibuka nje usuku lolu si-celebrate Heritage Day, ngimncane ukuba mncane angangalazi mina uShaka's Day, ngilazaliwe Heritage Day, kodwa nje mengilandela i-history kwakuthiwa iShaka's Day, and one of the things asayifundiswa laphana inhlonipho. Thina-ke esibuke uShaka-ke safunda ngayo isiZulu kancane, uyayibona inhlonipho laphaya ukuthi isukaphi. Uyabona ukuthi ukukhonzela kusayiyona part of inhlonipho yayikhona ukuthi kumele uhloniphe wenze ngendlela. So wena lapho usukhombisa ukuthi asinayo inhlonipho, because usuweqe indlulamithi yamakhosi, wayibeka ezinkosi ezokhulumela amaZulu, which was wrong, and you need to start accounting for it, and you are gonna account for it. Kuningi kusakhona ey'nhlelweni ezizayo eziza ngakwena. But also I just wanna alert umbukeli ukuthi be aware ukuthi you might not be ungizwe onama-lawyers, onabantu, onenqeke ezokwazi ukuthi imdefende mase lapha enkantolo. Wena uzoba nebhadi ubhale, ube nebhadi wenze, ube nebhadi usho something, kanti kubona isilimo esifana njengosazi musuyithola ungale komthetho, uyithola usuboshiwe. Sebekhona sebeqaliwe ukwenzeka njalo, akade beluke beposta betshola ukuthi ba-untouchable. Bayaqala manje bayalandwa ngawani naye ungizwe icala lakhe liyamlandela kwimanje, because as you have seen ukuthi uSpeaker or i-legislature of KwaZulu Natal isikhiphe incwadi imtshela ukuthi akayeke naye i-Commission of Human Rights ibhizinisi ezinye izinto ukuthi I cannot dalula it because it's legal matters, but there are legal steps asethathiwe ukuze kwenzeke sure ukuthi certain things like this ziyavaleka, because if uqhubeka uphula amalungelo abantu, because you have not just taken away section 9, you have taken away section 12 of impilo zabantu. Yesterday ngesonto, yes kwakuyisonto, kulomuntu owayegibele etekisini, kwaba khona nje ukudrive oyedwa wetekisi owamthuka Udrayiva wimanje uyobhekana nemantshi because of ini ukuthi ulahlekisa abantu. So musu kulahlekisa abantu, if you have internal phobia ungayikhiphi because social media manje siyaboshelwa izinto esikhulumayo ngomlomo siyakha ngomlomo siyadibhiza asakheni isizwe sibuyisa uZulu ngoba uZulu uyisizwe sihloniphayo usizwe sinothando asibuyisele lelo thando esinalo. Thank you for that because one of the things asiyenzile safike sakhipha incwadi yokuqala not as a collective, as an organization nje iyodwa simcela ukuthi akayeke. Saphinde sayikhipha with 81 organizations simcela samnikela uGwayawati samnqumela uGwayawati ukuthi ngomhla ka4 siyacela ukuthi wasusa ama video shuthi mengathi simnikeza imendela ke zokuthi akaqhubeke and before ngivale siyabonga kakhulu ku management yaseMayimani who stood for ama equal rights and denied access for ungizwe nempelesi zakhe ukuze kwazi ukuthi abantu besizakale. We are not just doing this for fame but we are doing this for livelihood of kids because usangaba nomntwana and awubazi umntwana wakho ukuthi uyozala inhlobo nomntwana. Asiyekeni ukukhulisa abantwana ngokuthi umfana noma intombazane sikhulisa umuntu njengomuntu ngoba if sikulahlekelwa yilokho ingakho sinezinto ze gender based violence because ayikho into esikhulumisayo. Amantombazane siyahamba ogogo sihambe semhlangeni sifundiswe ngokuyiphatha, umfana uyasala ngemuva. That's why we really need ama project of ama boy child isigotshwa isemanzi inkonzi isematholeni. Siyabonga.